everyone. Welcome back to the Fluent Mind podcast with Maya here.
And I'm Daniel, excited to join you for another powerful English talk.
Before we dive in, make sure you like, subscribe, and support us today.
Yes, drop a comment below telling us your biggest English struggle.
That helps us pick topics you truly need for your speaking journey.
And it keeps this podcast growing so we can help even more learners.
Today's episode is special because we're breaking a huge barrier.
Yes, we're exposing the real reason fluency feels impossible.
Many learners ask us why fluency escapes them even after years.
They think grammar drills or long courses should fix everything.
But fluency isn't built in books, it grows through experience.
Exactly. Real fluency comes from real communication, not theory.
Learners often don't know what holds them back inside their mind.
And understanding that hidden block changes everything fast.
So, today we're unpacking the real reason fluency feels hard.
And we'll guide you step by step so you can finally break free.
Most learners believe the problem is weak grammar or vocabulary.
But fluency fails when fear and hesitation take full control.
You freeze, not because you don't know words, but fear using them.
Yes, the brain shuts down when pressure makes you overthink.
This creates that awkward silence and makes you doubt yourself.
And repeated doubt becomes a long-term fluency barrier.
Once fear grows, speaking feels like a big, risky performance.
And fear always beats knowledge when the pressure rises.
Many learners translate every thought before speaking out loud.
That slow translation crushes confidence and natural rhythm.
Fluency needs fast thinking, quick reaction, and natural flow.
But translation creates delays that break your speaking pace.
The brain gets confused juggling rules, words, and fear at once.
That confusion leads to blanks and sudden lost sentences.
This builds the belief that you're bad at English, which isn't true.
Because the issue is process, not talent or intelligence.
Many learners study non-stop, but rarely practice speaking itself.
Yes, passive learning builds knowledge, but not fluency speed.
It's like reading swimming books without touching the water.
Practice transforms knowledge into automatic speaking habits.
Without active speaking, your brain sees words as low priority.
So they vanish during real-time conversations instantly.
Learners think more grammar will fix fluency, but it won't.
Fluency grows from courage, consistency, and repetition.
Many learners fear sounding silly or being judged for mistakes.
That fear stops them from speaking even when they know how.
They worry about accents, grammar slips, or mispronunciation.
But native speakers care more about message, not perfection.
The moment you accept imperfection, fluency becomes easier.
Because confidence creates clarity more than accuracy does.
Silence slows learning far more than any mistake ever will.
And speaking more automatically reduces your long-term fear.
Overthinking turns every sentence into a stressful calculation.
That pressure forces your brain to slow down unnaturally.
Fluency doesn't need perfect accuracy, it just needs movement.
Mistakes are signs of learning, not signs of weakness.
When you allow flow, your brain adapts and speeds up naturally.
And that process builds real fluency faster than perfectionism.
Trusting your speech allows smoother and more natural output.
And that smooth output is what listeners value most.
The real solution is shifting from passive to active learning.
Yes, even 10 minutes of daily speaking creates massive change.
Talk to yourself, shadow videos, or explain simple tasks out loud.
These micro-practices strengthen quick recall effectively.
Fluency rewards daily effort, not occasional heavy study.
Consistency beats intensity when building speaking skills.
Start speaking now, not when you think you're finally ready.
Readiness grows through practice, never before it.
Thinking in English removes the big translation delay instantly.
Yes, it creates direct pathways that speed up responses.
Start with naming objects or describing simple activities.
Those small habits build strong internal English thinking.
Short internal phrases help your brain retrieve words faster.
And faster retrieval leads to natural, confident speaking.
Eventually, thoughts flow smoothly without translation.
And that is the moment fluency truly takes root.
Shadowing is one of the fastest fluency building techniques ever.
Yes, repeating with audio builds pacing and pronunciation.
It trains your mouth to move naturally with English sounds.
And it boosts phrase memory and automatic flow.
Shadow short clips daily to see rapid progress.
Even 5 minutes can make your speech noticeably cleaner.
It eliminates hesitation by training your brain to match rhythm.
And that rhythm makes you sound naturally fluent.
Perfectionism destroys fluency by increasing fear and delay.
Learners must treat mistakes as stepping stones to growth.
Focus on communicating meaning, not flawless grammar.
Real conversations value clarity far more than accuracy.
Fluency blooms when you stop policing every tiny detail.
Flow only appears when mistakes feel safe and normal.
Bold attempts teach you more than perfect silence ever will.
And bravery accelerates fluency more than anything else.
Confidence grows from repeated small wins in daily practice.
Yes, familiarity lowers fear and builds natural fluency.
Every short conversation rewires your mind for success.
Those mindset shifts make English feel easier with time.
Celebrate progress instead of punishing every error.
Motivation increases when you acknowledge small victories.
Daily effort makes speaking feel light and natural.
And natural speaking is the true goal of fluency.
Use apps, partners, or voice chats to build consistency.
Eat and quick talks help erase fear and unlock expression.
Describe your day or explain opinions to practice naturally.
These tasks build confidence and expand your comfort zone.
Use English for real tasks like notes or reminders.
Those habits strengthen your internal English voice.
Avoid long silent periods. Even self-talk creates progress.
Self-talk is powerful, free, and extremely effective.
Fluency isn't magic. It's built through exposure and courage.
Anyone can speak confidently with the right daily habits.
Stop waiting for perfect English and start speaking today.
Consistent action beats years of passive study every time.
You deserve clarity, confidence, and freedom in English.
Start now and transform your speaking journey forever.